Like, I feel like we definitely bring the world for anything.
So the Rocky Mountain Nation is the people who were and it's only because we've established ourselves in this area. You know what I mean? Our reservations and census, there's only two reservations and one is the Eagle Reservation, which is southeast, and then the Alabama Coshada. So in between there, there's a whole bunch of if we don't even give them that, we get land or anything like that, But yeah, I like going to establish what I would like to do is putting ourselves out there because when they created this Susan, you agreed it was human. I said it was human. I don't know. Do this outdoors thing? Yeah, people of the mission, the people of the mission had caused this,
It's gonna rain.
We brought in archaeologists and scientists members to conduct a dig to preserve human remains that are buried there. So they can take it to the schools and work on it. It's a very disrespectful thing to disturb the resting place in any culture.
talking about.
That's what they did, is they purposely went in there to dig up the names to work on studies on.
Oh, I was like, look what I found on my first thing. You know, these survivor skills. Don't be very cool. 3 people to go on the wall. Like we just told people, if you go for 55 miles an hour, you can find if you put back up to someone,
I really like the organization. Like that was just so they ended up doing that. Doing a little over 150 remains back from the school. So obviously they couldn't be that style because they would be right. And obviously the community, went to the different schools and so down had Texas A&M, you go down to Texas A&M, you go on each side and you go from Oklahoma and then out. And they took back the remains. And then also the remains, the tree trunks also be like possible that we burial, reinterment, remains, like a big ceremony. Just like a funeral,
right.
Put it in a Native American way. But I would definitely love to design that stadium. It would have to be. It would have to be to work here. And this is the big part of our history. I guess this year we found out that our people have been here for Seattle over 5,000 years. And that's what really never done it. So I really want to go to. I can't remember exactly where the school was, but it was also in the 80s or so that they were doing. I really want to go to Washington and go to like a Seahawks game or something. They were trying to dig here at this property. My dad is water. Obviously, my dad's a big soccer fan too. So he got on the Metro. They had this property here. Yeah, what they were going to do is they were going to build a reservoir here, a sewage reservoir. Like they were talking about it. With a ton of Sounders fans and all of them were cheering. So they were going to build this reservoir here on the bus. They had thrown in, but of course they have to have. That would be so cool. They have to have like a vote amongst the people. Who you want to vote through to pass. And of course the people turned it down twice. But the second time, when they took it to the people at the time, get them to vote on it, they had already started digging. Been to this, they had already started building like Colorado before they even passed. But I've gone to like over 30 states. So I mean, again, they had archaeologists. I've been to most of the East Coast. And doing that, like Kansas, Arkansas, Louisiana, Texas, Colorado. So I mean, like right in that general. It's called the refugee site because Chicago is the tractor driver who actually no, New York is farther north. Big and actually I don't know because I was in real southern. Like I wasn't in New York. So I don't know. Like is Chicago a little higher? They were already about 30 feet down. They already done it. I'm really bad at picturing things. So I thought Colorado was really hard. But I mean, it's really fun to watch actually. Goes back about 1,000 years. You got for the what? Boards? The boards. I thought they said boards.